That's fine.
That one even easier.
Right. Got it?
Yeah.
Perfect.
That's all. See, that's going to ease it. See, told you it'd be fine. Right. Now,
Yeah, let's go.
where's my magnetic clamp? Oh, no, I'll just have to make sure it's square. Spitting and spattering, and it's a clean weld. Why is it spitting and spattering? Does that when it's not clean? What's going on here? What is going on? Maybe I've got a wire speed. Oh, no gas coming out. There's no gas coming out, that's why I was doing that, Dan. Does that when there's no gas?
Rocky error.
Right, okie dokie. Cover your eyes.
Yeah, go. Better now.
Yeah, it is and it isn't because I did that bad welding. It's not got a good surface. Weld on to where's so now it's in this. Bolt it back on. That's still on. So that's the back bracket done now. Let's stand back here so the sun's not on my face. So the next step now is to lift the car and put it through that and hope that the welds I've done actually hold. Because that's the other thing I'm worried about, whether I've got enough penetration on those welds. But I think I should have, because I've just kind of like test lifted it, you know, and it was fine. And I'm lifting the whole weight on that back, and that's no problem. I can lift the whole weight up, that's no problem. When both of them are lifted and put between the posts, then it's 50-50 distribution. Or, well, I actually think it'd be about 60 to the front, 40 to the back distribution of weight, so it should be fine. Fingers crossed. Worst case scenario, it's going to drop like a sack of spuds to the floor and probably break somewhere. Put it in, it'll be ready. Be ready to take away just in case. I'm going to take a quick break there, grab something to eat, and then we'll be back.